Hello, Hilda ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm happy to meet you actually.
Same here, ma'am. I would like to congratulate on being selected as the eminent participant.
Thank you.
Also, it's an honor for us that you are here with us and you are giving your valuable time to this chat session.
Same here. It's a pleasure.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Yes, good afternoon. Good day, everyone. My name is Dr. Hilda Habacon Aseoche. I am a single mom, a mother of three adorable kids, and I'm teaching for more than 13 years now. So, as a teacher, I treat my students as if they were my children. How I love my children, I also give them the same love. But of course, as a mother, we have to be strict and loving at the same time because we also wanted them to learn about discipline. So at times, I am a mother who always try to understand her children, and at times we have to be a father who's very strict and should implement the rules in the classroom and outside so that they will grow up to be a better citizen of our country. Yeah, so I always have a passion for teaching. I always say that I have the heart for teaching because, it takes two to tango. For the child to listen to you, you have to let them feel that you understand and you are concerned to them. Because without that heartfelt concern to your students will feel that you're just doing your job and that you're not concerned with them. So by doing so, they would actually feel happy to learn and work with you. So my inspiration is, of course, from our God Almighty because all of us are experiencing a lot of things and it just vary from one person to another. But furthermore, other than that, we are all experiencing tough times, especially this past few years because of the pandemic. So I think the person or the what will guide us is only God, or the God whom we believe. Of course, we have different beliefs, but of course, our faith will guide us.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your brief introduction. Moving further, I would like to ask you that what was your motivation during the COVID to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
Actually, the motivation for me is the problem we are facing because I feel motivated because I'm struggling on how to teach my children, my students, because we cannot meet them. They are also struggling with the internet connection, and most of my students doesn't have parents to support them or to guide them while they are studying because most of the parents are working and some even lose their jobs. So some of the children's need to work also to help the family um, surpass this situation. So what we did is we actually think of ways on how to reach them, like providing modules or different educational materials so that they will feel at ease or at least understand the lessons better without the supervision of the teacher. But we are still there, even though it's not that easy. We still communicate using social medias, through text, through call. So those inspires me, the problems that we are facing, despite the fact that it's very tiring. It's also fulfilling to see the results of what we have done because at least the students were able to pass a certain level even with the situation.
Okay, that's great. And what is your opinion on attending online conference rather than the physical one?
Actually, I think attending online conferences is better than the physical one because the participants may attend even though they are far from each other, and it's less expensive. I mean, it saves money, it saves time and effort, and at the same time, we have the chance to get to know more researcher and those who are starting, and it's a great privilege for a newbie, a new researcher like me, because if this is not online, I don't think I can join because of course, the financial aspect should be considered as well. And joining here is the best experience I had during my studies, and it is actually something very, what do you call that, eminent experience, because I get to learn about other researches and how others conduct their research, and I also learn from other participants as well. So I guess this should continue and it actually helps a lot of researchers, not only those who are starting, but also for those who are tired of traveling, tired of going to another place because they are scared, maybe because of the virus, and at least they can still share what they have.
Yes, ma'am, that's true. And I would also like to ask that would you suggest or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend an online conference?
Actually, I am already encouraging most of my friends. Whenever they are asking me about conferences, I always suggest Eurasia,
Thank you so
because
much, ma'am.
I always tell them that they are very supportive. They are actually going to help you from start to finish. And they will not stop until you've published your work, until it's polished. Because of course, as a researcher, when you are doing it, the flow of idea, you should, you should write it all down before you consider other aspects. Because in writing, if you consider grammar while you are writing, you might be distracted. You might lost that idea you have in mind. So Eurasia helped me with that. They also helped me polishing my work, and they assisted me all the way until I finished. And during the presentation, they were very accommodating, and all the people here are really friendly. You won't feel you are outcast or you don't belong. You will always feel that you're one of them, even though you're new here or you don't have any experience. Because I joined here, I don't have any experience joining conference. I haven't experienced presenting my work. So it was my first time, but I didn't feel I'm a nobody. They made me feel like I'm someone really eminent, despite the fact that I haven't started speaking. So it's really a good experience, and I really, I really don't know what else to say to thank them, because they actually helped me to become a good speaker.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. We are really obliged by your kind words. And one more thing, I would like you to provide some positive feedback about our conference to our viewers.
Uh, what else can I say? It's very organized. Um, Participants were well advised on how things will go, when it will happen. We are guided. even though it's not yet coming, they are preparing ahead of time. So the participants were well informed, and I guess participants were given a chance to showcase their studies, and at the same time give other participants opportunity to do brainstorming regarding a certain research, so that the presenter itself can also evaluate his work and at the same time gain from other participants as well. So it's a win-win situation actually for the participants and the organizers. It's both parties are benefiting from this activity.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. We really appreciate you having this chat session with us, and it was really great talking to you.
Yes, thank you. It's actually pleasure for me because you give importance to young researchers, and you also allow us to improve by sharing what we have here.
Thank you so much. And it's all because of you participants that we are motivated to conduct our further conferences so smoothly and so effectively as you participate. And you are the main reason that we just keep going on our work.
Thank you. You're inspiring people.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So thank you so much for having this chat session with us. And I hope to see you in our future conferences as well.
Yeah, I will encourage some of my friends. I'm actually trying to work on a follow-up research or a similar research with what I have presented here. I forgot to discuss that during my presentation here, I presented a study where I investigated the life and experiences of MOOCers here in the Philippines, where I tried to find out if that activity helps the teacher to improve their teaching skills and also help them lift their professional careers. So I am thinking of doing the same study, but of a different topic, a similar study. I'm working with a friend, so I hope after we finish that, we can still present it here.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. We are looking forward for your presentation.
Yes, thank you.
You're most welcome, ma'am. So hope to see you in our future conferences. And thank you again for this chat session. Bye.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Same to you as well. Bye.